Yo, what up YouTubers, it's your boy Altered Tech, and I don't really do this quite often, but this is a redemption video. And why am I actually doing this? Well, the answer is pretty easy. If you check out my OnePlus 6T 9.0.12 update video, now there is 12 likes right now and 6 dislikes, so the ratio between likes and dislikes is about 50%. And you know, this is actually the first time this actually happened, and for this video, I'm going to be honest, I pretty much half-assed that video. I didn't really take the time to actually edit it properly because I was busy working on the full OnePlus 6T review. If you haven't checked it out, please go ahead and check it out. Now for this video, I'm going to go ahead and bring back the gloves and the Sharpie markers, and I'm going to go ahead and do this the right way. Now, this is the OnePlus 6T 9.0.12 update. For this update, you'll be getting the January 2019 security patch, and finally, you'll also get some bug fixes and improvements. Now everything is pretty much straightforward as for the bug fixes and improvements and for the screen display optimization, but there are two things I could talk about, and that is the security patch and the Dialer app integration with Google Duo. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk about that right now. Now Google Duo, what is it? It's pretty much video calling. It's like FaceTime, but it's for Android, if that makes any sense. Now for this update, once you open up the Dialer app or the messaging app, you can now access the Google Duo or make voice calls with the Google Duo as the default app for video calling. Now for me personally, I don't really do much video calling, and Google Duo has been pretty much the best video calling app I've used. Now for the security patch. Now as of today, it's February 15th, 2019, and we are getting the January 1st patch. Now you might say we are kind of far behind, you know, this is OnePlus, they should be pretty quick at making updates, but let me just go ahead and put this in perspective. Now my LG G6 is a 2017 flagship device, and it does not have the January update. Neither does my Galaxy S9, which is a 2018 flagship device. They are both on the December 1st security patch update. And for my Moto G6 and my Moto Z2 Force, well, they're both on the November 1st security patch update. Now the OnePlus 6T is kinda behind, but it's not as far as behind as my other flagship devices. Now I hope this video was actually helpful, and if you were wondering what the 9.0.12 update was bringing, now you know. I hope this was helpful. The name is Altered Tech. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button if you liked the video, and please hit me back with some feedback. I really appreciate it. Now I am a content creator and my goal is to produce the best content. Now before I go away, I do have the Moto G6 Play giveaway game still going on, and as for the first video game character, it will be Sonic the Hedgehog. You know, my drawing isn't the best, but this is Sonic the Hedgehog. So if you're playing the game to win the Moto G6 Play, right now you have one character and all you need is 3 more. And let me remind you, I will not release the final character until I get 500 subs, and once I get 500 subs, you guys know the rules. If you guys don't know our rules and still want to play, go ahead and check out my Motorola giveaway video, and I'll explain everything in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. So everyone has a fair chance to win the Moto G6 Play, and I wish you all the best and good luck. Alright, so this is Altered Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Peace.